Hi, me is Shahmi, and this is my friend Adam, Ronaldo, Reza, and Ish gonna explain about our project. So right now, I'm gonna explain about the procedure and apparatus about outflow meter test. So for the prop test, first we need the outflow meter test, and then the loading, and also water, and then stopwatch. First, we need to make sure the surface is clean and dry with brush it. And next, place the outflow meter test on the pavement surface carefully. And then, put the loading on the outflow meter test. This to make sure the apparatus can stand still and stable without move during test running. After that, fill the outflow meter with the tap water until the top level. Once it is fulfilled, the test is ready to begin. Now, when we performing the test, we will open the tap. As soon we open the tap, the water level inside the apparatus will begin decrease. On the same time, we have to start the stopwatch. For this test, there is two turning points we collect. For the first reading, we take at 400mm mark, and the second one is 100mm mark. Also, repeat the procedure that we have done into the different pavement of surface, which is fine surface. Now, we will go next to sand patch test. Okay, so on this experiment, first we need brush cone, measuring cylinder, spreading tool, Ottawa sand, ruler, and brush. By using measuring cylinder, we can take 10mm of Ottawa sand. The sand is poured to the brush cone. And to make sure the sand has been poured smoothly without any spilling. Then, the sand carefully put directly onto the center of pavement of surface. Next, spread evenly in circular motion using the sand spreading tool until the surface void will fulfill. The diameter of sand patch is measured using ruler. Then, take 3 or more readings to determine average of diameter. For this study, we choose 3 different locations. First, on fine surface, then medium coarse, and coarse surface. Now, we're gonna continue with our next test, which is a skid resistance test. So, on the skid resistance test, first we need a skid resistance tester And then we need a ruler which have been identified with acceptable range for rubber slider and the surface. Next, the test surface is cleaned by using brush to remove dust and loose particles. On this test, first, stabilize the apparatus by adjusting the leveling knob until the bubble in the spirit level is centered. After that, to ensure the pendulum arm is in the correct position, adjust the height of pendulum arm by turning the lifting screw and the knob behind the scale to obtain the optimum position, which to make sure the rubber is contact with the surface when the pendulum arm swing. Ensure that the contact between the rubber slider and the surface before and after the swing is acceptable range. But before you want to run the test, you have to reset first to the 0 value and then let it swing and record the value on the skid resistance tester. And also, don't forget to spray the water onto the surface. It is because we want the wet condition of the pavement surface. I think that's all from us. Thank you for watching.